The Curious Boy and the Magic Box. In a quiet village there lived a curious boy named Sam. Curiosity is essential to learning, and Sam's journey highlights how technology can open doors to new opportunities, a vital message for educators striving to inspire lifelong learners. One day, Sam's uncle introduced him to a strange-looking box with glowing buttons and a vivid screen. "What's this magic box?" Sam asked. His uncle replied, "This is a computer. It can think, play games, write letters, and even teach you." The story encourages educators to explore technology as a teaching tool to make lessons more dynamic and engaging. Fascinated, Sam watched as the computer solved math problems instantly and explained complex ideas. His uncle shared, "The computer is like a powerful brain that follows instructions to create and solve. It helps make work easier, explore the world, and unleash creativity." Sam's exploration with the computer planted the seed of innovation. Years later, he invented his own computer, improving life in his village. Sam's journey showcases technology as a gateway to endless possibilities, underscoring the critical role educators play in introducing students to its transformative power.